Okay, had to shoot a November 30th video for work commute. So we're not at work today. This is fast becoming more than just a commute channel. We're at Walmart here. You'd swear it was Black Friday in there. I couldn't believe it. People would walking out with big screen TVs, big hair products, you name it. Going towards the famous Joe Mann Boulevard here in Midland. Get all my rolling around done for Friday, so sorry about the jostle. It's broken again, unfortunately. We are at the end of the week. Now I'm going to my daughter Mary Kate's concert. It's the Saginaw Choral Society. I think Christmas shopping, a Christmas rush, Black Friday is always, it's just the beginning. Except for those who are prudent and see sales throughout the year and they're thinking about Christmas, which is about 1/10 of 1% of the population, I think. I'm not basing it on any actual knowledge of such statistics, but how many of you think of Christmas shopping prior to December 1st or prior to Black Friday, let alone September 1st or July? I know they have Christmas in July. I still have to get my Christmas tree out of the storeroom. Don't confuse my not quite being ready for Christmas with not being in the Christmas spirit. I've never been much of a Scrooge. Even when I was down, I've had my moments. Divorce, stroke, sometimes periods of unemployment. Things are going pretty decent with me right now. As far as occupation, as far as my two wonderful children. Watch out what's going on in traffic. If I can get another video together, I will do that. Signing off.